I'm genuinely so excited for this. Today, we're making chicken and scallion terrine, a variation on the Marco Pierre White classic, Lobster and Leek Terrine. If you haven't seen Marco Cooks for Raymond Blanc, go find it. It's online somewhere. It's food porn. And the terrine was just a stroke of genius. So today, we're doing a almost Hainanese chicken rice variation with scallion and chicken breast. The breast has been cooked sous vide at 61 Celsius for an hour, then dunked into ice water, so this is ready to go. So now, we prep the scallions. This is 1 kilo of scallion, which looks like a lot, but trust me, I'm actually a bit worried that we don't have enough. So we're mostly going to use the white bits. You cut off the tail, trim off the extra, and I would keep about probably this much. While we're doing that, we'll make sure the water is boiling. This is a wonderful hosting dish, and you can prep ahead. Well, you have to prep ahead. Alright, so as you can see, 1 kilo is not a lot once you've trimmed them. And now we're gonna blanch them in hot water just briefly. 1, to remove a bit of the harshness, and B, to soften them a bit so that we could press them down inside the terrine dish. Boiling water, everything goes in. And keep the lid off in case they oxidize and turn brown. So, about 2 minutes, I'd say. And in the meantime, you can prep the chicken breast. I don't know why I cooked 2 breasts, I was just worried. I think 1 is probably more than enough. We're gonna take off the skin, remove the tenderloin, and we're gonna slice them into strips, I think. You don't have to cook them sous vide, by the way. You don't even have to cook them. You can just go and buy a rotisserie chicken and take off the breast for this dish. Let's start with 1. We'll see where this goes. Alright, it's been 3 minutes. Stove off. And we take out our scallions. Now, we'll let it cool down just enough to handle. Here, what I've done is I've lined this terrine dish with 1,000 layers of cling film. You can never overline your terrine dish when you're making the terrine. So, very sturdy, and we go. You want to alternate. So if the white part's facing this way, the next layer, it will face the other way. I definitely don't have enough, I think. We'll see. This might actually work. It's going to be a mini terrine. But I'm just going to change the title of the video to Mini Terrine with Chicken and Scallion. I should have seasoned more often, but osmosis is going to do its job, I hope. Alright, before we wrap, we're going to drain off some of that excess liquid if we can. There's no elegant way to do this. Not much. We are gonna put this on a tray. We'll then cover the top. And we make some incisions so it could release some liquid. Now, I'm gonna put some cans just for weight. If you have 3, that's great, you can stack them up. And you want to put something heavy on top. It could be your chopping board, it could be your pot, it could be a pizza stone, and you leave it here to rest for a couple of hours. Then you can move it to the fridge overnight, or in my case, because it's freezing outside, this will go to my balcony. You want to check on it just to drain off the liquid so that it's not swimming in its own liquid. And I'll see you tomorrow. It's been 24 hours. Are you ready? I'm nervous. I have been nervous for 24 hours. So of course, during the 24 hours, I checked on it 15 times. Drained off the liquid, changed from 2 cans to 3 cans. I used a cardboard cutout, wrapped it in tin foil to make sure the surface is flat. I think I've done all I could. So now, we pray to the pectin and hope this will turn out okay. So far so good. It's green. Now we slowly unwrap the top. So far so good. Slowly unwrap the bottom. We have a sip of champagne to calm our nerves. Another reason why I made it is I thought we could, when we plate, this could help us a little bit. Let's see. Are you ready? Let's go. I wish there's a more elegant way to pull. I can hear Kay Avila saying in my head, "That's wonderful. This is beautiful." And the smell. Whew. I think we've done okay. This is the moment when no knife can be sharp enough. So far so good. Now, beautiful. We have a Harvey's looking plate here. Now, in the original recipe, this was garnished with water vinaigrette. I think for simplicity's sake, we're just gonna use some hot infused scallion oil, which I made earlier with just the white part of a scallion and some vegetable oil. And maybe we add a bit of the curled up green part of the scallion. We'll see. But first, the scallion oil. And just a few, purely for garnish. Let's make it 5. This is so beautiful. It's incredible. And there you have it. Mini terrine of chicken and scallions with a bit of scallion oil. And that's thank you very much, Mr. Marco Pierre White. I really hope you enjoy.